Okay, hello guys and gals. I was asked yesterday after I completed this turn signal light for 67, 68 Sport Fury that goes on the fender. How did I do it? Well, I found these at Tractor Supply. They're the LED 3/4 inch round marker lights. You get them at Tractor Supply. I found them at Northern Supply. They have them as well. And that's all you need. So open the package. I already opened this up. And pull it out. It has a rubber grommet. You really don't need it. It won't fit. So just toss that off to the side. And we're going to get right at it. Okay, first of all, you have your old light, the lead wire for the turn signal. Excuse my hands, they're nasty, 415. But you got your old light here. Take a 5/64th Allen wrench. And on the bottom side, there's this hole right here. There's a set screw down in there. You got to get that out. Okay. Stick it in there. See if y'all can see it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just back that little booger right on out of there. Once you get it out far enough, push on your wire. Or you take a small screwdriver, stick it in the hole right here in the top. There's a slot where the wire runs down. And just push it down and it will pop it loose. And just push it right on out. It's a trick. Don't pull the wire all the way out. Just pull it out to where you have enough lead. Okay. Right here, we're going to cut this booger off. We don't need any more. Strip us off a little bit of wire. Okay, now take your new light, your 3/4 LED. Just kind of do a temporary twist. Like that, just twist them all together so you can pull it back through. And there they are. And just undo it. Separate your wires. Now, on the light, it has a top listed. I don't know if you can see it or not, probably not, but you'll be able to see it when you get the package. You take the top side, make sure you're oriented right inside the light. Push it back in there. Same time, pull down on this a little bit, snug it in there. And she's in there. A little difficulty here. Once you get it in there, grab your 5/64 Allen wrench. Tighten her back down a little bit. I don't believe it's going to hit it. Nope. But I don't believe it's going to move. Yeah, if you look down in there, you can see that. You probably can't make it out. The Allen wrench head went down in there. It's on the wire. Okay, then you got your positive and your ground. Okay, on the positive, I took the old end. Here's the end that I cut off. Using a red butt splice. Splice that thing together. You got that there done. Take a good old pair of channel locks. Just give her a good squeeze. Now you can tape this, you can use some shrink wrap, heat shrink on it, whatever you want to use to keep it weather tight. And then on the white one, I made me a ground wire. Basically just I can strip it back. Good old channel locks. And there you go. Just plugs back in where your turn signal plugs in at for the fender. There's enough wire. Find you someplace to get you a good ground. And she'll blink. But that's it. I mean, if you want to take and squirt some silicone down in there and put that down in there, that'd be fine. Anything that hold in there, but I personally don't think it'll move. It might, but and again, you know, it's pretty simple, and I just happened to stumble upon it and it worked. But if you have any questions, just send me a message and I'll answer anything I can. But thank you and God bless.